We never realize how important someone is until the moment they're no longer standing where they used to be. People give us their time, their energy, their quiet loyalty, and somehow the more consistent they are, the easier it becomes to overlook them. We take their presence for granted. We assume it will always be there. We assume their care is endless. And yet the truth is, it is not. We don't lose people because they stop caring. We lose them because we stop noticing. Their effort becomes routine. Their presence becomes expected. Expected becomes invisible. And invisible becomes forgotten. Think about the person who checked on you first, the one who stayed up for you when they were tired, the one who carried your emotions even when their own were heavy. They never asked for anything back. They never demanded attention. They simply cared. Quietly, consistently, faithfully. And that quiet consistency is what we often fail to see. They forgive when forgiveness isn't owed. They stay when staying is hard. They give when giving drains them. And still, we overlook it. We take it for granted. We think they will always be there. But one day, slowly, quietly, they stop. Not because they stopped loving you, but because they were tired of feeling unseen. They stopped sending the messages, they stopped checking in, they stopped holding the space you never appreciated. And then the silence hits. The absence grows loud. The empty space between you becomes unbearable, and only then do you realize what was there all along. You miss the long messages you once ignored. You miss the little reminders that felt small. You miss the jokes you laughed off. You miss the care you never acknowledged. And suddenly, everything they gave you, everything they were, feels monumental. People rarely walk away suddenly. They fade slowly. They retreat quietly. They give their last bit of patience, their last bit of energy, their last bit of love, and then they disappear into the distance. Presence is a privilege, not a guarantee. Love is not owed. Care is not a contract. And yet we forget this until it is gone. So if someone is still in your life today and someone who checks on you, supports you, forgives you, loves you quietly, value them, appreciate them, notice them. Don't wait until the silence makes you regret what you took for granted. Because once they're gone, regret is the only thing that stays. And regret is heavy. It lingers. It whispers in every quiet moment, reminding you that someone rare, someone extraordinary, someone who cared in ways most people never will, is no longer there. Notice the good ones. Honor them. Love them back. Before silence teaches you a lesson too late, think deeper. Know more.